Welcome to our YouTube channel, all about ideas. We are a hub of creativity and innovation, bringing you fresh, exciting ideas across a variety of topics. Whether you're seeking inspiration, practical tips, or just want to explore new concepts, you've come to the right place. Discover the charm of countryside living with our tour of a minimal loft-style farmhouse designed for relaxed country life. Nestled amidst rolling hills and expansive fields, this tranquil retreat offers a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. Step into the spacious interiors of the farmhouse, where clean lines and open spaces create an atmosphere of serenity and simplicity. Watch as we explore the minimalist living areas, adorned with natural materials and subtle accents, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with nature. Experience the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living spaces, where expansive windows and sliding doors offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. From the cozy bedrooms to the inviting kitchen and dining area, every room is designed to evoke a sense of comfort and tranquility. Join us as we venture outside to the sprawling grounds, where lush gardens and sprawling lawns provide the perfect backdrop for outdoor gatherings and leisurely strolls. Whether you're savoring a morning cup of coffee on the porch or enjoying a sunset barbecue with family and friends, every moment in this minimal loft-style farmhouse is an opportunity to embrace the beauty of country life. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the serenity of countryside living in this charming minimal loft-style farmhouse. Like, share, and subscribe for more architectural inspiration and home tour videos. Welcome to a world where simplicity reigns supreme and every corner is a sanctuary for the soul. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates and be sure to like and comment on our videos. We love hearing from our community. Thank you for being a part of All About Ideas. Let's discover something new together.